What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix screen rotation not working issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your device. So to restart, press and hold the side button. And then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix the auto rotation issue. So after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open Play Store, go to search bar and search for sensor test. Now install this sensor test app, and after installing tap on open. Now from here test the accelerometer sensor. So to test this sensor, you can tap on this question mark, and from here you can read the instructions to test the accelerometer. Now you can tilt your screen to the right side or left side, up or down to test the sensor. If your sensor is not working, then fix your sensor, and if your sensor is working properly and you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset your mobile settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on system and updates, and then in system and updates click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings, and then again click on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will click on this reset all settings option, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the screen rotation issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the screen rotation not working issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.